Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Want to Stay. Today in this video, let's learn about how to change your age in Bumble. So let's get started. At first, we need to know that we cannot change our age in Bumble app. So we need to go to any browser and search for Bumble Contact. Now click on Contact Us over here. Now scroll down and click on Help Center and search for Change Age. Now scroll down. Here you can see my age is wrong in my profile. How can I fix it? So let's tap on this and click on this here. Now here are few questions and you can simply write your name and email over here and about which mode you are using and what platform you are using, and click on others and write your problem here. And you can add a screenshot if you want to and click on send message. When you have done this, you'll get a reply from Bumble. So this is all we can do to change age in Bumble. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.